Good morning. Time has finally come. It is LA Day. I make my return today. It's Coachella time. Good morning. It's LA Day. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yes. We're going to LA. This is the fit. White Fox hoodie.
Oh, it's really nice because it's matching hoodie on. Yeah,
Yeah.
mine's got trauma attached to it, so.
Like shorts and Air Force. We stayed at the Premier Inn last night and I didn't
tell people about my outfit then.
Oh, sorry. This is outfit. It's all White Fox.
It's not.
Oh. Oh no, they're Princess Polly. Sounds.
Princess Polly. White Fox. Sporty and rich. Socky wocky doodads. Yeah, that's me.
Can you forget them? So yeah, we stayed at the Premier Inn and I think I vlogged like the tiniest little bit, but we were knackered. And by the time we'd ate and come back to the room, it was like 11 p.m. So we were like, well, 10 p.m. we were knackered. So that's why you didn't see much of me last night. But we're back, we're ready. It's travel day. Will L's case make it through? Who knows? We'll give you the update on that one. But yeah, I'm all ready. It's Coachella time. Woo! And it's, what time is it? 6? 6. It's 6 and we need to go, but we're faffing.
I've got a posse in here.
Oh dear.
Yeah. A posse and a prezi.
Cozy.
I've got my passport. But I'm not taking things out, Lisa, because that's when things get lost.
Right, we're faffing, we're gonna go film a TikTok and then we'll see you later.
The seaside.
Yeah, yeah.
Bye. Wet, wet. Back at the same table. Feels sick. Me too. I think it's nerves, mine. I wonder why. Look at how smart. Saving Monday. It's really sunny today. We're waiting for the plane.
Just talking to Stanley.
Yeah.
My orangutan.
We've also just done a TikTok.
Well, she says done a TikTok. I've been asked me instructions to jump over a phone multiple times in front of multiple people.
Yeah, but it's fine. No one's watching, so who cares?
So we'll never really see him again.
Exactly.
Or are we?
Yeah. I just love watching planes. Having deja vu because this is literally where we sat last time. Look at the planes.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay.
Hello, bonjour. It's been a day, almost. Flight ended up being like 12 hours because we were delayed by an hour, but we arrived at the normal time. And then security took us 2 hours to get through. For what reason? We just had to do a 4-hour car journey to Palm Springs, but to be fair, sunset, well worth it. The playlist he had on.
I was gonna say we have clapped on me a lot.
The playlist he had on was insane. Like literally, it was sing along central. It was so fun, and he was really lovely. So big up.
You girls have a great time.
Big up Uber driver. He was lush. Yeah, even though I'm knackered. I wanted to come on and show you the room and the view. Right, room tour. Right, so as you come in from the door, the bathroom is on this side, but I'll show you the bathroom in a minute because I've not looked in it yet. And then we have 2 very large double beds for just me and Elle, which is lovely. A huge mirror, which we also love because can't get enough of ourselves. Big fat fridge. Not sure. Iron, lots of space, lots of actually we probably would need more hangers, but it's fine because we're only here for 5 days. That's Elle's side, that's my side, those are my Pringles. There's my big fat case that's been doing made in all day. And then we've got a nice big vanity and a table with some coffee. No tea, which is quite depressing, but Elle's brought some. Oh. It's got a boiling thing. Oh. Oh, yeah, anyway. Apparently the water's at $3. So, don't really want to touch it. However, if I'm desperate, I will, and that's ice. And then this is our balcony. Look at how beautiful our balcony is. I've never seen anything as pretty as this view. It's literally, what, like 29 degrees right now? It feels hotter. And then tomorrow it's going to be 34, and then 35, and then 35, and then 34. So, gonna have a great Coachella. Gonna go home very tan though, so that's good. And then the bathroom. Nice big mirror, we love her. Nice little vanity that Elle's already set up on, but toilet, and then huge walk-in shower. Oh, I love that. I love the no bath actually, that is really cool. I really like that. And it's got a seat in case you're lazy like me. Lovely. And then we've got towels. Nothing on the door. I don't know why I thought there'd be something on the door. And that's the room. Yes. Slay. Tea has arrived. Woohoo!
Not as doing it.
Oh we are so insane. Good morning from Palm Springs. Woo! It's day one, but it's not day one of Coachella yet, but it's day one.
And I look not dead today.
We actually look alive.
I don't have any liner on, so I ignore that, but we're going for brekkie.
Yeah,
so.
we're going for brekkie, and then we're doing our hair, and then we're gonna go for a look around Palm Springs.
I'm just thrifting.
Yeah, and find maybe a top or I don't know something.
I'm just here for the mini skirts, the bags, the dolls, like.
We've been doing our research. We're very excited. Let me show you the pool. Oh, look at her. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. We're just debating if Justin Bieber's present because taste test. Oh my god.
Let me have a try.
Let me have a try. It's so good.
Wait, I'm listening.
It's so good.
Oh my god, I should have got that. Should have got that.
It's called, what's it called? It's called The Lineup. And it's a Palm Springs exclusive to Starbucks. And it's got like pineapple refresher or something in it. Coconut cream and so good. That way? Right, okay. Let's make our move then. So we're at the gardens in Palm Springs. It's so hot. Well, it's the best I've got to try that. But we've got some goods, which I'll show you when we get back. This is our dinner.
Let's not.
It's a lot of food for 2 people. But we will eat it. And we got it from Pizza Hut. And it's beautiful. Hello vlog. It's been a while. I feel like I've not even vlogged today. I think I've just got like clips of little things, but that's okay because we took it slow today. We went and picked up my wristband. We had a walk around Palm Springs and got a few last minute bits. Went to the Goodwill. Elle found a baby doll dress and that was about it. Then we came back and chilled by the pool for like 2.5 hours, which was so nice. And I've got some tan lines from it, so success. And my nose is a little red. It's sun-kissed. But yeah, we've just eaten, and yeah, I think we're gonna go to Betty Bo's. So I'm gonna leave this vlog here. Oh, and actually, we also just gave downstairs reception pizza that we weren't gonna eat because we ordered too much, and Elle was gonna do the Taylor Swift, do you want some pizza, off the balcony to the people that were down there, and then we were like, bit weird. Then I suggested we should give it to the people downstairs in reception because, you know, they're probably hungry and they'd appreciate it. And they did appreciate it. It was really cute. They were like, for me, really? And we were like, yeah, have it. Like, they're like, are you sure, really? Like, and we were like, no, have it. We're not gonna have it. So, yeah, that was really sweet. Good deed for the day done. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because it's the start of Coachella tomorrow, and I'd like the Coachella vlogs to be separate. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a like, you know, the usual jazz. I am absolutely shattered, so I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you tomorrow, or however long it's gonna be for you, when I'm at Coachella. Bye.